Do you have a collection account weighing you down? Has your credit been suffering because of past due medical bills or credit card debt sent to collections? Today, we're re-diving into a topic that I know many of you have been eager to discuss. Collections. How to handle them, and importantly, how to get rid of them faster. Now, before we jump into it, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to take charge of your credit report and watch your credit score skyrocket. Let's do this. Are those collections on your credit report really there to stay? It's time to uncover the truth about those 7-year myths and explore the strategies that could potentially help you remove them faster. From negotiating with debt collectors to understanding your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, we've got you covered. So picture this. You check your credit report and bam, you see those collection accounts staring back at you. But don't sweat. Here's a step-by-step plan that can help you tackle them. First things first, you've got to know your credit reports inside out. Head over to annualcredittreat.com, where you can access your reports from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax completely free. Take a close look at each report. Are the dates, amounts, and account names accurate? If not, write it down. Document any errors with screenshots or notes. You want to be super organized here? Might even want to list any additional research you find. For example, did you pay that debt in full, but the account shows as delinquent? Or perhaps you've made multiple payments to the same debt collector without reducing the total amount owed. This kind of stuff is crucial because it gives you leverage when dealing with those collection agencies. But wait, you might be thinking, why should I trust these documents? Well, my friend, you don't have to. You can easily obtain your own copy. Just go to the website, scroll down, and click on the Request Your Report button. You'll get an email with a link to download your reports within minutes. No credit reporting agency can legally deny you access to your reports, so there's no reason to not use this service. Next, it's time to write a dispute letter. Now, I know the idea of writing a formal letter might seem a bit intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be. Keep it simple and clear. State your case, request what you need, and send it off. To start, include your personal details, including your name, address, social security number, and contact information. Be sure to include your phone numbers and email, and add a heading Dispute of Account Information. Next, include the date and the names and addresses of both the credit reporting agency and the collection agency. You can find their addresses on your credit reports. It's important to send your dispute letters to both parties. In the body of the letter, clearly state the account information you're disputing. Refer to the specific account numbers and explain why you believe the information is inaccurate. Provide any supporting documentation you have, such as bank statements, emails, or previous correspondence. For example, you can say, "Please investigate the account number listed on my credit report dated August 2023. This account was never mine, and I have never had an account with this creditor. I have attached copies of my bank statements, which show no activity on my account." Then, and this is important, include a statement about your desired outcome. Do you want the item removed entirely? Do you want it marked as paid? Let them know. Finally, sign and date the letter. Send it via certified mail to both the credit reporting agency and the collection agency. This way, you'll have proof that they received your letter. Now, after sending your dispute letter, sit tight and wait for a response. Typically, the credit reporting agency will respond within 30 days. You might verify the debt, suggest a correction, or in the best case scenario, remove the item if they can't confirm its accuracy. Remember, they have the burden of proving that the debt is yours. So if they can't provide the necessary documentation, you've got a pretty good chance of getting it removed. Hey, before we wrap up this section, quick question for you. Have you ever successfully removed an account from your credit report? Share your experience in the comments and help inspire others. Also, if you're finding this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more credit repair tips. Time for Plan B. Even if they have the upper hand with documentation, you still have options. Many debt collectors would prefer a lump sum payment rather than going to court, so use that to your advantage. Negotiate a lower settlement, ideally with a written agreement stating that they'll report your account as paid or even deleted. Before agreeing to anything, ensure you have a written agreement. Remember, knowledge is power, and it can help you turn the tables when dealing with collection agencies. It's time to tackle multiple collections head-on. Don't let them overwhelm you. Prioritize the ones with the highest balances, or those impacting your credit score the most. Start with the snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the first debt is cleared, roll that payment amount into the next smallest debt and continue until all collections are paid off. Each win will motivate you to keep going. Plus, as you pay off these debts, your credit score will gradually improve, giving you a sense of accomplishment and a boost of motivation. We've talked about removing collections, but how do you protect your progress? It's time for some proactive steps. Set up auto pay to avoid missing payments, and keep utilization low by paying down existing debt. Regularly review your credit reports for any surprises. These habits will help you maintain your financial health and prevent future hiccups. After all, it's not enough to just tackle collections. You want to set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, having collections on your credit report isn't a life sentence. With the right knowledge and action, you can challenge errors, negotiate settlements, and steadily rebuild your credit. Don't let those numbers define you. Stay informed, stay proactive, and watch your credit soar. So let's bust a myth. Having collections on your report doesn't mean you're doomed for the next 7 years. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires credit bureaus to remove negative items after a specific period. Most collections are deleted after 7 years from the date of delinquency, which is typically the date the account was last paid. However, bankruptcies, tax liens, and foreclosures may stay on your report for 10 years. Now, here's the catch. The 7-year rule isn't absolute. If a collection is removed prematurely, it won't affect your credit score because it wasn't on your report to begin with. So don't fret if a collection disappears before the 7-year mark. It's actually a win. If it stays longer, well, it's not like your score will crumble if you diligently work on repairing your credit. And there you have it. You don't have to let those collections hold you back. By understanding your rights and taking the right steps, you can manage and remove them effectively. Remember, knowledge is power. So keep learning, stay proactive, and watch your credit journey take off. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly credit tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.